In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do starter pack trend on TikTok. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a text box where you can enter your prompt. This prompt is what tells the AI exactly what kind of starter pack image you want to create. So taking a little extra time to describe your idea clearly can make a big difference in the final result. When writing your prompt, begin by choosing a theme that fits the style you're going for. It could be based on a hobby, profession, personality type, favorite character style, or any fun concept you have in mind. After selecting your theme, describe every important detail you want the AI to include. Mention the appearance of the box, the background, the clothing, and all of the accessories that should appear inside the starter pack. The more specific your descriptions are, the more accurate and visually appealing the generated image is likely to be. If you have reference images that represent the style you're aiming for, you can also upload a few examples if needed. These can help guide the AI and provide additional context for the overall look and feel you want to achieve. Just make sure the images match the theme you've chosen, so the final design stays consistent. Once your prompt is complete and you're satisfied with the details, send it to the AI and allow it some time to process your request. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, the image may take a few moments to generate. While you wait, avoid making unnecessary changes so the AI can complete the generation without interruption. After the image has been created, review the results carefully to make sure everything matches your original idea. If you're happy with the outcome, save the image to your device. You can then open TikTok, create a new post, and upload your finished starter pack image as part of the trend. If you want to make your post even more engaging, consider adding a popular sound, a relevant caption, and hashtags that relate to the starter pack trend to help more people discover your content. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,